Hey there, this is Alex over at DuraLabel, and in this video we're going to be going over our arrow wrap module that you can find within the pipe marking module. In order to begin, I'm going to click on pipe marking over on the left within the menu. This is going to prompt us with another menu to choose our submodule type. In this instance, I'm going to want to select the arrow wrap. If you want to learn more about pipe marking or ammonia pipe marking, please see some of our other videos we've recorded as well. Once I have the arrow wrap selected though, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And this will open us into a canvas with some arrows. Now for this example, we're going to utilize this for a water pipe. According to the ANSI standards for water, we're going to want to change our color over to this green and white option. That way we have green vinyl with white ribbon over it. Next, we want to choose the appropriate option for our pipe diameter. In this instance, it's going to be going around a 6-inch pipe, so I'm going to select 6 from that drop down. And this is going to preload it with some arrows as well as adjust the length accordingly. If you want to change the arrow design, you could do that through arrow options. I'm going to go ahead and select a different one to show what that looks like. And then if you do want to change the amount of arrows, the spacing, or even the length, that can all be done as well. That way you can get a nice custom tailored arrow wrap to your needs. Hopefully you were able to learn something from this quick arrow wrap guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.